Tomorrow is Sunday. I want you to think about this. Hello guys. How do you do today? My name is Mecha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. Don't make these mistakes. It's very important. Hard working is not the solution, and you know it. Make the difference between hard working and an efficient work. I want to tell you a little story about myself. For a long time at school, at the time I was a little boy, I was just focused on hard working. I did my best to do hard working every single day. I was just focused on the result. I want to prove to other one I was able to have these results, but it didn't work. I was sick, I was stressed, and I felt anxiety every single day. And the reason why is I was just focused on the results and they didn't make sense in my life. Today I realize hardworking is not at all. Hardworking means you just focus your intention on the results. You could fail, you could fall, your energy could be lost. This has a big impact on your mindset, on your identity. Today I realize the difference between hardworking and to make an efficient work. Efficient work is more interesting than hardworking because you are not focusing your energy on the results but on the process. And this is more powerful when you try to think differently, outside the box. At the time everything's changed. At the time it's possible to do everything. It's possible to resolve problem. It's possible to become your best version. And I didn't realize this before. I did a lot of mistakes because I didn't understand the difference between hardworking and to do an efficient work. And this changed my life. Tell me in the comment if this thinking changed your life. Take care of you guys. Bye bye.